Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about botanical extracts. Okay, botanical extracts are, of course, natural extracts, and then in the beauty or the natural organic skincare industry, we um, tend to gear towards using natural and safe alternatives, um, comparing to the synthetic alternatives. Okay, and hence we've tried to modernize and look for safer ways of getting much more effective products, because the truth is, when you're using purely natural products, they do work and they are safe, but they take a very long time to see effects, and sometimes confusing because you're not certain of their usage rates, where they are stable or they tend to function more. And so um, it's kind of like a hard reach, but it's still on the safe side. And today I'm going to be telling you about botanical extracts. So botanical extracts are safer alternatives, like I said earlier on, and I honestly enjoy using some botanical extracts, and this could be powders or juices or oils and all of that. And so personally for me, I like to use turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is a great skin lightener, to be very honest. It stains, it has its drawbacks, it has all of that. But you have the option of getting white turmeric, which is another option of turmeric. But we all know the yellow turmeric, and that yellow turmeric gives this tint with a period of time, tends to yellow or brighten the skin. And another extract I like to use personally is pawpaw and carrots. A lot of formulators use carrot extracts as powders and oils and juices in their formulation. So for example, you want to make a carrot soup, you want to make sure that your soup is carrot centralized. That is, you want to make sure it has carrot butter. I think we have carrot butter now actually. Carrot juice, carrot oil, carrot powder, to make it very, very potent. Just like when you're formulating, you are trying to mix organic and synthetic products together, you need certain concentrates to boost the effect of your powders. And that is why in botanical extracts, you want to make sure that your product is being complemented or being augmented with other extracts with the same name as it. Okay, so if, for example, I want to make a papaya soup, I want to make sure I'm using papaya oil and I'm using papaya extract and papaya powder and all of that. Okay, so most times we confuse juices with extracts. Okay, now extracts are either gotten from like the seed of the ingredient or the skin of the ingredient, or going through a distillation process, whereas juices are like when you blend it and you just take that juice out. So that's the juice, and the extract is the one that goes through the whole distillation process. Okay, sometimes you use them interchangeably. This could be the extract or it could be the juice, whichever one you are using. You can use the term extract interchangeably. Okay, but I want to tell you that botanical extracts are very effective as well, although they take a longer period of time to work, but they are also very, very effective in formulations and are safer. You're not going to see veins, you're not going to see thinning of your skin, because it's a very gradual process. But we are in a competitive space, and so that's why we have to take a little from the other side and add to it. But botanical extracts do work and they are safe. Okay, but they also come with their drawbacks, such as preservation and shelf life and durability. Okay, so if you're using extracts, for example, I'm making a cream and I'm using direct extracts in that cream, of course that cream is not going to have a long shelf life. So that is more like a DIY cream that you want to use for yourself. But if you want to make these products to sell, you definitely don't want to use pure extracts in your creams. But in soaps, yes, because these soaps tend to go through the saponification process, and then you put preservative and all of that. Whereas with what's it called, with black soap, sometimes if you're not using the black soap for a long period of time, black soap can stay up to 6 months. You can use black soap up to 6 months even when you don't put preservative in it. Okay, but if you're going to be putting in juices and extracts and you want the soap to stay for a long period of time, you definitely want to put in preservative. Okay, so that's one thing about botanical extracts. Just to remind you, they do work. They just take a longer period of time, and sometimes they are not cosmetically or aesthetically pleasing in some products. They are not very aesthetically pleasing. Imagine making a body wash using pure extract. So that is why sometimes it's a drawback to use natural extracts in your formulation, but they do work. Just know when to use them and what to use them in. Okay, all right.